All right, this is Doug Gabbard. I've got a gift idea for your photographer friends, so make sure you watch this video to the end. I've got a link to all my photography gifts that I created a video for 12 different gifts, and I have a secret at the end to make sure you get the best deal you can get on the item you're buying. So this one is just for one gift. This is for a memory card. Almost every photographer is going to want one of these. If you want to purchase it for them, they'll most likely appreciate it and they will use it. That was a 64 gig card. You can see on my screen, I have a 128 gig card here, and that will work for just about anyone. I clicked off of that by mistake. Let's get back there and see if it will stay there for me. There it goes, it stayed. But that's a 128 gig card. So if you want to see all my videos or all my links, I'll put the link down below for the video, but it's also on my website. Here's the gift card or the memory card I just talked about. But I've got 12 different gifts on this page that any photographer is going to love, but that's the easy one. All right, so now for my secret. You want to know you're getting the good deal for the product you're buying, whether it's this memory card or anything. This goes for anything you're purchasing on Amazon. There's a website called camel.com. Yes, that's the word camel, like the animal, 3 times in a row.com. Camel.com. And I've already got it pulled up. And what we'll do is we will use this gift idea. I will right click and copy that address to that item, click on my website for camel.com that I have open, and let's paste that in here. And I already have pasted it. So let's search, let's search. Here's the memory card. For all time of this memory card, you can see it was as high as $35 and it's dropped down over time and is maintained right around $20 to $25 for the most part, around $22.50 probably on average. They're claiming that this is a Black Friday deal or a Cyber Monday deal maybe, and it's $1 more than it was at its lowest price ever. So that's still not bad, but that gives you an idea. Am I getting a good deal for this? Is it really on sale, or does it drop every once in a while and I want to wait maybe a week or two before I get the product that I'm looking for? Don't always have to be in a hurry to get it tomorrow. This is Doug Gabbard practicing photography. Make sure you use the links down below if you want to purchase anything that helps. Even if you're not buying the 128 gig and you want a 64 or 32 gig card, that's fine. Use my link. I'll still get credit. This is Doug Gabbard practicing photography. Catch you next time.